Accidents are stressful, and dealing with the repair is time-consuming and complicated. Waiting on the quote from the auto body shop, which your insurance company will approve or deny, only to find the parts needed aren't in stock. Imagine if everyone involved in your car repair received information about your car's damage immediately. Introducing Pluto7's Service ML on the Google Cloud platform. Simply snap a picture of the damage. Our machine learning models quickly identify which parts need repair. This information is immediately accessible by your insurance agency, the auto body shop, and even the auto parts suppliers. The service supply chain can act faster than ever before. Automobile part manufacturers can more accurately plan their supply, and repair service companies can proactively manage their stock and labor. This reduces the time to repair your car from weeks or months to days, keeping the entire process efficient and relieving much of the stress associated, all thanks to Service ML. Think beyond. Contact us to learn how Service ML can help transform your manufacturing company.